If you have a motorhome and you require any servicing, repairs or inspection, you're in the right place. I'm John from Abacus. Today I'm going to talk to you about all of the servicing that we can provide for you and your motorhome. When you bring your vehicle into Abacus Motorhomes, we will carry out habitational servicing, which is a yearly service on your motorhome. That goes through all the information to do with electricity or gas and carry out any damage checking. Also, we are capable of doing all engine servicing and repairs, including MOTs and also body repairs. The added advantage of dropping your motorhome to us at what we call our one-stop shop is we can carry out all of the repairs here in Andover, just off the A303. Thanks for watching. Give us a call on the usual number or drop us an email if there's anything we can help you with.